Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make that cool glass effect that you're probably seeing everywhere, and it's actually really easy. First off, you just select what you have going on in your artboard and Command G to group everything together. Now what you want to do is duplicate this, so just drag your layer onto this plus sign and that will duplicate it. You're now going to make the shape you want your glass to have. So I'll be making a square, but you can make any kind of shape you want. I'm going to round its edges a little bit. And I'm going to place it right about here. Now click on your background and go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select the amount of blur you want. I think I'm going to go with probably 5 is okay for me. But play around with the numbers. You can always go back and change them later. Press OK. Now select both your background and your square. And go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And there you go. If you want to make it a little more realistic, just select your rectangle and add a white stroke to it. And that's basically it. So easy.